Kia ora, and welcome to this IT training tutorial video on how to set up your document for a thesis. There are two major objectives in this lesson. We're going to set the margins and the gutter. Basically, there are all kinds of acceptable variations in the formatting of a thesis, but only one rule applies to them all, and that's basically the margins. This is because the bindery wants to make sure they have enough room to add a binding to your paper. So to set this up, go to the Format menu at the very top and choose Document. The main thing here is that the default margins do not actually need to be changed. The bindery states that your margins must be at least 2 centimeters on all sides, and as you can see, they are all about 2.5 centimeters, so there's no change needed. However, there is a setting you'll need to add. The bindery also say that you need to add an extra centimeter on the inside to allow for the binding, and we'll do that by setting this thing called the gutter. If you use the little arrows, just move that till you see a 1 centimeter gutter. And in my preview, I can see that that's been added. There is one other setting in here that I'll mention, but keep in mind it's very rare that you would need to use it. Some people will write a very long thesis, like 440 pages or more. For those people, the bindery will print the thesis double-sided. Otherwise, it's extremely rare to have a thesis printed double-sided, as it's not technically a published document. So for the people who need this to be double-sided, they'll have a problem with the gutter. You see, it's going to be on the left rather than on the inside margin. So for just those people, they should also tick this thing that says mirror margins. And now you see that these have been put on the inside. So I'll just untick that because for most of you, you won't need that. Okay, when you're finished setting your gutter and possibly your mirror margins, just click OK to close this window. And you will see in the ruler that you've got that extra centimeter on that page and this page, etc. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for your attention. Kia ora.